All right, charging the car back up to 80%, currently at 22% state of charge. Got 45 miles of range left. Last time I drove for 139.7 miles, getting 3 miles a kilowatt hour. I will be charging up on a level 2 charger. But if I would have charged to 90% on a DC fast charger, you're looking at 34 minutes at an 800 volt system. On a 400 volt system, you're looking at 1 hour and 12 minutes. I'll be charging on a level 2 charger, 240 volts, 50 amp. It's gonna take, I don't know, probably 7 hours to charge, something like that. So right now we're looking at 4 hours and 20 minutes. What the car thinks. Looks like we're going to add 183 miles of range. Again, winter time is, plus we had some major snow and I was out there drifting around in the snow. So that kind of killed my efficiency. But if you were charging a regular household socket, you're looking at 42 hours and 50 minutes to get to 80%. And again, the car is saying 183 miles of range at 80%. All right, charge the Kia up to 80%, adding 46.0 kilowatt hours. So for the past 7 days, I've decreased my charging by 35%. I also charged at an EA. The last 30 days, I've increased 17%. So if I look at my overall session, it cost $8.26 minutes, taking 5 hours and 33 minutes to charge. If I look at the history, this charging session is actually the first time I've charged here at home in February. So again, took 5 hours and 33 minutes, adding 45.99 kilowatt hours, costing $8.26. If I look at my history, go back to the hours, it's probably averaging, because I got it only taking 90% of the AC charge, so that's giving a pretty consistent level charge through the entire process. At some point I was getting like 9.2, then it will dive after an hour down, and then it will maybe go back up to 7 kilowatts per hour. So just keeping it at a 90% AC charge on the intake, I'm getting about 8.2 kilowatts per hour, 8.3 kilowatts per hour for the entire charging session. So if I go back again and I look at my history, this charging session, 45.99 kilowatts, costing $8.26, and again taking 5 hours and 33 minutes. All right, charge the Kia to 80%, currently at 79% state of charge, getting only 183 miles of range. Mainly because probably all this cold weather and snow that we had, and only getting 3 miles a kilowatt hour. Don't know reason why it's only getting 183 kilowatts, 183 miles. So far, since I reset my trip, I've driven 7,068 miles, getting 3.2 miles a kilowatt hour. Be interesting to see how this improves as we get into the springtime and then summertime.